Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today we're going to be working with this Fake Scalp Pro lace wig. She comes courtesy of Hairvivi and I am so ready to slay her with you. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So for starters, this is the packaging. As you guys know, I've worked with this company quite a few times and they've definitely mastered the fake scalp. Here's a peek into what it looks like on the inside of the wig cap. You get adjustable straps as well as that fake scalp underneath the cap, and this is what it looks like on the outside. As you guys can see, the parting already looks like it'll match my skin perfectly. So I went ahead and pulled off the wig I had on before. Luckily, I like to use the Got to Be Glued Free Spray, which is an easy, quick removal. All you gotta do is use a little bit of a alcohol, like a 91% alcohol, and your cotton pad, and just clean up the area, and boom, you're ready for your new wig. So I'm going to go ahead and put her on. I did go ahead and adjust it as tight as it can go, and it fits pretty snug. Here I am checking her out and just kind of seeing what I'm working with. So far, I love the parting. I love how snug the wig is. It doesn't slide back, it doesn't move, and the cut is perfect. Now here's a back shot. I kind of feel like I could have, like cut it a little bit to go right above the shoulder and sit perfectly, but I'm going to go ahead and bump it and fix that up. I also think this one will look really nice feathered, and that's kind of why I like to play with my wigs before I start the transformation, just to confirm what style I'm going for, and then boom, I get started. So as you guys can see here, I'm cutting off the excess lace. Normally I don't cut off the lace until I am completely done with like tweezing the hairline and styling it as much as possible. And today I felt confident that I pretty much didn't want to do much, although you will see me tweeze in just a moment. Before I forget, they did give me a $15 off coupon code. This is a permanent code, so if you're interested, it's abedeck. I'll have it linked down below. Now, as far as the specs on this wig, it is 10 inches in length, 150% density, and the cap size is a size small. Everything you need to know about this wig is linked in the description bar for you guys to check out. And as you guys can see, I went ahead and tweezed the hairline, but I didn't really do too much. Also, I went ahead and trimmed down a good amount of hair around the hairline for baby hair. This one would look really nice and sleek with no baby hair, but I kind of just wanted to jazz it up just a little bit for my own personal preference. But again, it's all about what you like. I'm going to use my mousse. You guys know I've been loving the Nairobi one lately, and I'm just going to go ahead and flip that wrist and swoop that baby hair all along the perimeter of the hairline. If you want a little bit less, I would just say do a little bit, like literally curving it around the parting, and you're good to go. But again, I just wanted to be fun with this one, especially because I was going for a glueless effect. I kind of wanted to make sure that that hairline was covered just in case. Now, as I mentioned before, they did send over a size small wig cap. I always opt for a wig cap that is a size small. If I want to be safe, I will go up to a medium, but pretty much I've never ever had a wig cap at a size small that was too small, if that makes any sense. So you can go ahead and measure the circumference of your head with a measuring tape, and that is a perfect way to know what size you have. Most websites, including this one, will give you a size chart and let you know if your head is 21 inches, which mine is. You should get a size small. If your head is bigger, it'll let you know pretty much what size you should get based on the size of your head. Now, as you guys can see, I went ahead and finished up that baby hair, and I love it. I'm going to go ahead and cancel out a little bit of the flyaways using my electric hot comb. This has become a staple in how I install and style my wigs. I went years without an electric hot comb, and I don't know how I did, because I love this thing. I went ahead and added powder to the parting at this point. You're going to see in the end, I'm going to touch it up again. So normally I would wait to the very end to add the powder, just to make sure that the lace is dry. You don't want to add powder on top of like a wet lace if you have bonded the wig down with like a liquid or gel adhesive. And then I went ahead and bumped the ends. Now the hair did come straight, as you guys can see, but I feel like a bob always looks better with a nice subtle bumped ends. You guys also did see me play in the hair before, and I was kind of playing with the idea of doing a feather. I did go back in the next day and add the feather, and it looks absolutely beautiful, but for the sake of this video I kind of kept it like a straight sleek bob. The point was to show you guys that you can literally install this wig in like 5 minutes and be good to go. This is literally the quickest and easiest wig, and again, if you get your size, the proper size, you can go glueless and not have anything to worry about. Just add a little bit of serum to cancel out any flyaways and you're literally good to go. Okay, so these are pretty much the results. This one was literally ready-made and I didn't have to do much. Now this is their Fake Scalp 2.0, and the reason they call it that is because, as you guys seen in the inside of the wig, they have that fake scalp there. But I did notice over time, not necessarily initially, but the more you like wash the hair and you get wear and tear on that fake scalp, it's like pretty much a wig cap sewn onto your lace, so you don't have to wear a cap. It's just permanently there, and the lace permanently matches your skin tone. So over time, that sewn on cap underneath kind of will lift and depart from the lace. So you pretty much need to take it off or like re-sew it down, so to speak. And the 2.0 is here to pretty much fix that problem. They pretty much have reinforced the fake scalp method, so pretty much the 2.0 is here to reinforce the fake scalp and make sure that your fake scalp is not coming up and lifting if you do choose to co-wash condition your hair. Now as far as the wig goes, as you guys can see, it's pretty much a ready-made bob, and the fake scalp literally set it off. This is a glueless install. I don't want to mess up what I got going, but as you guys can see, I did not glue it down at all. I honestly didn't feel the need to. I felt like because it laid so snug, the lace was taken care of and all of that, I just really didn't feel like it was necessary to add any glue or gel. And again, it fits super snug, so I know it's not gonna lift or move. It just sits on my hairline flawlessly. At most, I'll just go ahead and throw on like not a shower cap, but I'll just throw on my scarf to let it lay down a little bit better and cancel out some flyaways. But other than that, this wig is literally as good as beginner friendly gets. Right now, I'm just kind of adding a little bit of dimension in the front. I kind of wanted to flip it over. You guys see how it was flat at first. Kind of wanted to do a little flip swoop thing in the front. I did do baby hair along the front, but as far as messing it up, I definitely did, but that is okay. As you guys see, when I put powder in the parting, I literally just put powder on the hairline. I did not need the powder in the actual parting, literally just in the hairline. So I'm gonna take my current fave palette and just touch up the powder a little bit, because I have been doing tons of manipulation. As you guys see, the hairline right here did not need any powder, so I haven't put any there. I just literally put it on the perimeter, and this is where like the fake scalp cap does not sit. And that is pretty much it. As far as the color goes, I absolutely love this color. This is one of those brown girl friendly blondes that allows you to pretty much enjoy blonde, but it's ombre, so it's safe, and then it's a bob, so it's easy, and then the color is very complimentary to my skin tone, so I don't have to worry too much about, you know, looking crazy out here. Like, this is the color of blonde that if you are like a soccer mom, you gotta do carpool in the morning or something like that, you don't really have to worry about looking crazy wearing this color with no you know, like makeup on in the mornings. And I know that looks a little loud, but I kind of wanted to. So let me know what you think of this one. Honestly, it was super easy to install. I wish I had more to say, but when the install is so easy, it speaks for itself. Literally all I had to do was add the baby hair, which obviously is an optional step. Powder to the parting, optional, and then I just literally bumped the ends a little bit. But it just literally came ready to go, and you really can't get better than this. I think this color is perfect for my complexion, and it will look good and a bit of a longer look as well. Let me know what you think of her. I have all the details on this wig and a link listed in the description bar, as well as a list of the few items that I used, even though I didn't use too much at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Can you see it got bounce and movement? It's not a stiff bob by any means. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends, turn on your post notifications so you'll never, ever, ever, ever miss any of my uploads. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.